Hey, Uncle Honorable Uncle Michael McQueen, Honorable Marial Dongri, Benjamin Quality, the MPs, Madina Lier, the Benjamin Bauti, Madada Young Kucha, Benjakura Yul, Jola Ben, Elija Munyok, Koy Bangadia, Ben David Malid, Jola, our barristers, Kilo Miloid, Molana, Nolding, Jola Molana Yangari, Koy Bangadia, Oitagamon, Ringo Unkua, with John Legend. I'll try to break it down to a few minutes. Congratulations, the trust Paan Bor to win through a very competitive election. Congratulations, Akuei Deng. Kabelo ni chalwi le baloi abike ko ni luai in bandi toto na gonga dia kudun wena me lija shirkiri ya kola go ke ma do mucho yini mi lija dom chok kul join la loila ko yana ke election gaken One way Yakola Goken Mazem telephone. But because Random must win, Elijah had to win. My brother, I want to ask you what question Elijah. Can you one move? Naemia Kubanagan Logon, go back quickly. We are going to train the Paan Bor. Elections, we are going to Ben, we are going to supporters get on. Lagi leader go. Enjoy election with Ben. Na cai kam balatin. Enjoy la pemujanga gan. And therefore you must accept that in the beginning we will have and have a jury. Konachi are giving his speech. We call it on. My top lucky leader joke. Loy goodbye. In Bayakura Yun, Mobruk, Ijilu Red. Election 10 was one of the most contested one. Ugachi emotions die every day during the campaigns. And I also believe Victor Don Kenilija, she will call Carly, I will call you right. Altar Dildiam. Because teaching election lawyers and no Shurba, you allow whatever it is or Walla in Chirkat. Relative I, Benjamin, we send you down. Can you get the Okwa? I got a review. Created I got a review open how much Shurba take during election. I got a bit of reform. Because when I'm in the Gaipon, Manchito and Jalwa, I think Jaman, it's not a way to the woman like $100. Because he worked hard, I shall get the end of the year began. I then got a reform, we're going in the constitution. I got in insurance. I'm forgetting the term. In insurance law, I joined indemnity. Ranchi Altuk, I've been Jalto, you are very indemnified. Submitting to very out waiting because the child waited to know what we didn't even see. As he did, I read what I value as the election. So, whether in Malinang, David jale jare tsanin che ini election achatem I fight body election legal jam ko no law board which is very good. We go for next time we do election below be too complicated because then we will go na yenya ayen kri lija ka will leader book supported kage iman to below counties ko kedia ibo ge tu gujala duk anan ge chara shawar achalu ba jamtin lekin nan tum cha belew nan ne ra ko jam ko ge ite re chen nga ke nga actually community ruan nga ke ko ke ruai ge yin actually community ya ke du jala ko ko ruai ge yin wo ki mo ji re bi chen na ben go to du try to ben go try ke wo ji re chen na ayen man I'm happy it look like how handle ke ga ko bi ko money ko rhetorics while will ke ga ko bi jal because people have resorted na ke na made na ke na ni ruai na ke na ni chengde kene man Juba is married which is very good and ane ra ngoro be link bi ken la ko chin ko mu ki no inte mu chin we don unity da don be la linyeti ta ko ja chin kai pando ini toromo jola ran chi de ngale du kuran chi de dera mading if in jam ko beloy mading ko wo ko ayera ga jam ji no to ko kon gure bor e ben Juba ne na ko Juba ga tit kala mading kuna ko be jola la bayami ko be jola jar ga kon chom mading ko jola bayami mading bor ko protection ako be protected from anything it disturb ako absolute protection whatever the case may be kama ding budila diwe tambara anbiya ben benang tiyela nyugu jola jar jola den lenti nanen ke mading go disturb when it's around mading kana ko tingi nyindi ci ko tingi nyin ko kala to I want to challenge you ko you rene mai ko la janga la pour matiam what you going to pour na chukut na ye next season you know they samara grande bargala na dum de furu na samara te bangari ni Juba ko che pour let us go home corner pour de so then I bayro ki nom nom dum bayew ay bay jam bay wan ki bare ku chum ay tange nya rumbo nga barum de tem brayer anjilo tewte be dum ya ko na do yow di ker because we cannot be entrepreneurs but we can all be farmers what you do ya daji wodye we can all be farmers wodye na nam dum de ko wan ba jem ba jam bay cey to no wudi cey kel adom ni be achira ali ram pa we chi furu so e were na wara kerba lwel ko le chating wan cham ko li por dole ngo la e so we e wu chor mana dar bu chob ngal ngala tene lokora pa pur ko ya ni Juba da le chi ngeloy e pur ben ke lo ko bu chob liria ko pur kuna e mi agila su ku ye me lo lo ai lo pur ko ngara pur e kura yun ri jama nyom ana ji woy dum tingo ko na teneti ako no ngera be ru ni lo pur ina nam dia ya samara ko be ko mol bi ngi Uganda yen mo buru don ta do jato ta gi chen ga do de ri ko ru na nen ko ti to ko chi ye ba dia ko ya ko pen ba Asal biar ini kayak apa? Berdati yang mungkin apa yang kamen? Ini nggak ada jalan dulu deh. Ini macam lagi